Are you looking to take your landscaping business to the next level? Welcome to the SiteRecon YouTube channel, where we talk to industry experts on sales, client relations, operations, and bring that content to you every single week. Enjoy.
Obviously, with the advent of new mapping tools in the industry, SiteRecon, we're able to add credibility to our proposal by showing the work and the diligence that we put in developing our proposal and our bid. So it's always good to be able to show comprehensive property maps with key elements designated. In this case, there's the layers of trees and turf and beds that can be illustrated. And it really just shows the client that we've done our hard work and due diligence to lay out the best possible plan, and that our pricing should be aligned with the scope of work and the size of the property. Further down, we're able to pin the actual locations of enhancement ideas. The great thing about SiteRecon as a tool, being able to walk the property, create a GPS located pin, take pictures. It's very easy for a property manager to get it. In the old days, we used to use PowerPoint. It took a lot longer to go in and create numbers on maps and then import our pictures in, and the efficiency and communication ease of these maps just creates, again, a higher level of understanding with our prospect at the proposal stage. And just scrolling down, you can continue to see the detail behind those pins that are created through mapping like SiteRecon. Irrigation mapping is another way to, again, prove that we've got a handle on the property. If we've done the hard work to go through and pin our controllers and our main cutoffs and our valves and zones, it takes a little more time, and this might be a hard thing to put together for the proposal, but once we get the job, it's also a great tool to use for operations. Typically in our proposal, we're going to have some sort of a horticultural calendar that illustrates timing and schedules of the different tasks that are part of our scope of work. We certainly recommend creating a minimum scope of work, a minimum standard scope of work that we're utilizing in our proposals to build a standard estimate. It's important not to layer in too many extras in the proposal phase, because you're going to price yourself out of the market. If the customer wants to dig in further to the scope of work, we can always do that as we talk about pricing.
If you like what you see here, don't forget to click on the bell icon and subscribe to the channel. We post videos every single week.